Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, insecure, lonely, tired, depressed, angry, bored, perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Come back to love for ourselves and the people, the challenges, the pain. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Putting to the side any distractions, putting the past to the side, putting the future to the side, coming into this present moment unlike any other moment thus far. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your belly, opening your chest, feeling your feet underneath you. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You've lived to see another day. It won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, letting go of stress. Relaxing into your body. Becoming even more aware of your posture. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhale, letting go. You can gently close the eyes, bringing the attention inwards. You're safe to close the eyes. Noticing how you feel, witnessing and welcoming any sensations, tensions, frustrations. All is welcome. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale. Relax. deep breath out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. Exhale, letting go of any fears. Letting go of the inner critic. Breathing in compassion. Breathing out any anger inside, letting it go. Feeling your heart. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Pushing the belly outwards. Feeling your belly absolutely relaxed. Sending love to the belly. Relaxing your hands, relaxing your feet, relaxing your jaw, relaxing the lips, the forehead, relaxing your mind as you breathe in. And breathe out. Letting go of any resistance. Embracing this moment as you inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. When you hear the sound, I want you to come back into yourself. Come back home into your heart, into your mind. Come back to yourself. Returning home as you follow the sound all the way to the end. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And slowly, softly exhaling, letting go. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. For a few moments, I want you to bring all your attention inside, witnessing and welcoming your thoughts. Very gently, very lovingly, observing your inner world. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into your posture, back into how you're sat as you take a deep breath in and exhale. Way to stick with it, my friend. So happy to have you joining me today. Reminding you that your presence has a purpose, that you have your own gifts to share, embracing your uniqueness today. Not taking yourself for granted. The color for today is purple. The number is 1200. And the animal is a saber-toothed tiger. Becoming aware of your surroundings, aware of your space, aware of what you're gonna do next. Remembering to stay present today, to simply be, to slow down and simply be with yourself. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. Thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love on your path. An abundance of laughter. Remembering to laugh at yourself when things get tough. Be careful not to take it too serious. Life is to be enjoyed, and it's very short. So don't lose your joy getting caught in all of the obstacles and challenges. Life can be maddening. You can go mad by being too serious. So remember to play, remember to connect to your inner child. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.